When you're doing RDLs and you feel it more in your lower back than your glutes or hamstrings, here's a simple change you can make. Firstly, make sure that your legs are straight. And as you go down, you want to push your glutes out. Now you want to go down to a position where you feel the maximum amount of tension in your hamstrings. Once I'm no longer able to push my hips back any further, that's when I know it's time to come up. Because if you're going down past this position like this, you're only going to be working your lower back. And that's what we're trying to avoid. So you want to stop around right there when you can't push your hips back any further. So we're keeping a straight leg, pushing the hips back. Then we get that peak tension in the hamstrings and glutes. And now we push in. Now for those women and men who want to add a little bit more emphasis to the glutes, what you can do is you can add a little bit of a bend in the knees as you're descending. And at this time, you're still pushing your hips back, just with a little bit more of a bend in the knees. And here you're gonna put a lot more tension on the glutes. And as you come up, the same principle applies. We're pushing those hips in. So we add a little bit of a bend, get that tension in the glutes, and we push in.